Good morning. So this is already our second week of our 4 weeks training for the products. Okay? Okay, so there you go. Again, I'm Dr. Villena. I'm your medical consultant. I'm a diplomate of the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians. I'm a specialist of family medicine, definitely, and a doctor for the past 29 years and a consultant for the past 26 years. Siya lang ang pumapalakpak. Sama-sama na tayo. And I'm the co-author of the book Complete 24/7 Natural Healers, which happens to be the official product book of our company, of course, with my wife as the main author. And I'm a professor in the College of Medicine and Nursing, and I'm part of the training team both locally and internationally. Let's start. And again, I'm the medical product consultant of AIM Global Group of Companies. My simple question is, are you ready? Okay, so for the benefit of our doctor here, so we will be presenting this in straight English. Okay, so if you have friends or members from different parts of the world, kindly invite them. Okay, in order for them to be able to appreciate the second part of our training. To begin with, last time we talked about the importance of food supplements, the dangers of free radicals, the advantages of antioxidants. Okay, and of course, we also discussed the main product of the company, C24/7 Complete and Restore Life. Okay, this time we will be starting with the coffee, with the Liven coffee. Okay, and we have so many brands, or should I say variants of coffee. So to begin with, what is the name? Liven Alkaline Coffee. The beauty of the coffee is that it is with coffee Arabica. One of the best type of coffee in the world is Arabica coffee. Now, what else? Okay, it is with 3 variants. We have the latte. Of course, the first type of coffee of AIM Global is the original, and the cappuccino. Now, doctor, you said it's an alkaline-based coffee. Why? This is the significance of an alkaline-based coffee. If you're gonna drink the product, okay, of course, there will be an acid inside your stomach. Direct, parang may naririnig ako. Ito yata, for a while. Yan, naririnig ko yung sarili ko. Where am I? So what's the significance of being an alkaline? It is with an alkaline powder. So once you drink the product, okay, this alkaline powder will try to protect the components of Complete, also present in the coffee, against the acid inside your stomach. Meaning to say, they will try to neutralize the acid in order to protect the components of Complete. Will it try to convert the acid to become an alkaline? No. Because if that will be the case, we're going to have some problems. Why? Because if the acid will become alkaline, we can no longer digest meat products. So again, the main function of the alkaline powder is just to neutralize the acid in order to protect the components of Complete that is part of the coffee. Are we clear? So from there, the components of Complete will go inside your intestines. It will go inside the blood vessels, will flow with the blood. And within minutes, it will go inside again the different cells of the body. Do you get a point? Okay, now, what else, doctor? So, to continue with this, these are the benefits if you're gonna drink Liven coffee, or if you're gonna drink coffee per se. Okay? When you talk about coffee, it's an antioxidant. It's called as quinines, or chlorogenic acid, or tocopherols. What then will be the advantages? Number 1, it will lower down the risk of diabetes by 50%. That's number 1. Okay. Second, it will lower down the risk of colon cancer by 25%. Can also bring down or lower down the risk of Parkinson's disease by 80%. And we can be able to lower down the risk of liver cirrhosis by 80%. Again, it's not there to treat these different kinds of diseases, but to help prevent us from suffering from these kinds of diseases or dreadful diseases, especially like cirrhosis, okay? And of course, can also bring down the risk of gallstones by 50%. Now, what else, okay? Look at this. According to studies, by drinking coffee, it will help manage asthma attacks, can prevent headache, and can also boost the mood. One of the important things, okay, should I say advantages of coffee is that it can be able to what? Raise your energy. Every time I start my lecture, my trainings, or my seminars, the first thing that I usually do is to what? Drink coffee. And as you can see there, it's filled with coffee. So why? In order to boost my energy or to increase my energy level. And aside from which, you can also be able to prevent cavities. Now, this last sentence is good. Why? It can also offset damage caused by smoking. Again, I'm not trying to say that you can let your smoker friends continue smoking. No, that will never be the case. But if you cannot stop them from smoking, might as well ask them to just drink coffee. Somehow, it will be able to offset, okay, the damage that will be done by continuous cigarette smoking. Are we clear? Okay, so doctor, how many cups of coffee can we drink? That will be discussed on the 4th week. But again, to give you a glimpse of how much coffee can we drink every day, it will be from once up to 3 times a day. Okay, that will be the maximum. Are we clear? And I would like to again to repeat this, that our Live Coffee contains 1/3 of the milligrams of complete Phyto Energizer. Okay, so once you drink the coffee, you're also taking the product complete Phyto Energizer at the same time. Okay, now to continue this is somewhat debatable. Okay, why again? Because according to some studies, it can also decrease the risk of heart disease versus non-coffee drinkers. If you have heart problems right now, then please don't drink coffee. But if you're still not having any problems of the heart, okay, or should I say healthy, might as well drink coffee to prevent you from suffering from heart diseases. That is, again, according to clinical studies. Are we clear so far? Okay, now to continue with this one, what else? Another wonderful product that Africans love to drink is My Choco. Okay, when we introduced the Live Coffee and My Choco to Nigeria, year 2012, if I'm not mistaken, initially the reaction was, what? A choco drink? But after they tasted the product, they were able to appreciate and love the products. And you know what, sister, doctor? Okay, sometimes they don't mix it with water. They just take it right away. Okay, straight from the sachet. Why? Because it tastes so good. Again, My Choco is a choco drink that is also alkaline, just like Live Coffee. And just like Live Coffee, it's also with what? DHA. It's good for the brain. Okay, that's one of the advantages of drinking My Choco. Again, my dear sisters, okay, I would like to clarify this issue. Who amongst you are already 40 years old and above? 40 and above. 40 and above. You can raise your hands, please. 40 and above. Okay, so Tita, 40 and above, please raise your hand. Okay, okay, 40 and above. Okay, now, of course, majority of us are 40 and above. Am I right? Okay, the only exemptions will be the 2 ladies there, and of course, I guess the brother and the sister. Okay, how young, sister? 32, 8 more years. Okay, so, but most of us are 40 and above. Am I right? Okay, kala ko, apila ka pa eh. Hindi ah. Now, this is it. For what I've read, okay, once we reach the age of 40, okay, the brain cells are starting to be affected. And we are now prone to suffer from the so-called dementia, most especially Alzheimer's disease. To clarify the issue, there are so many causes behind the so-called dementia or memory loss. And one of which, the most common, will be Alzheimer's, followed by stroke, and followed by, the third will be what? Brain trauma or accidents. Okay? And for what I've read, they said that if you would like to prevent from suffering from Alzheimer's or dementia, it is best for us to take products that contains DHA. Okay? And amongst the products of the company, that will be My Choco and Colidus, that you were able to discuss last week. Am I right with that one? Okay, but again, Doc, aside from DHA, what other products of the company can we take in order to protect the brains, okay, or the brain cells? Aside from Live Coffee, take products that will be good for your brain that contains vitamin B complex, and that will be C24/7 or complete. You can also take products that contains vitamin D, that will be D Supreme, and also products that will be good for your nervous system, like your resveratrol or Restore Life. So these are the products of the company that we can be able to drink or take every day in order to protect our brain, okay, from suffering from dementia, especially Alzheimer's disease. Are we clear so far? Okay, now, let's try to continue this. Doctor, so it also contains the one-third of the milligrams of complete? Yes. It's all alkaline-based? Yes. So what then will be the benefits if we will drink cocoa plant or cocoa per se? Okay. Cocoa is also an antioxidant that contains flavonoids. Okay. And these are the advantages. It can lower down the risk of heart attack by 50%. I would like to clarify, the youngest patient I've seen who died from sudden cardiac death in the hospital was only 18 years old. Okay, what else? Okay, can lower down your blood pressure. You can be able to help maintain your blood pressure by 120/80 and prevents platelet clumping. What else? It has an anti-inflammatory effect in order to improve the flow of blood in your arteries, especially the ones going to your brain and to your heart. And okay, enhances the action of a neurotransmitter like your what? Your serotonin. Remember that your serotonin is one of those so-called feel-good hormones that will try to regulate your mood, okay? And of course, your sleeping pattern. If you have friends, again, who find it so difficult to sleep at night, the products that we can surely recommend, number one will be Restore Life, and number two will be My Choco. And in my 17 years in AIM Global, those clients or patients of mine that I recommended Restore Life and My Choco has a positive effect on this product, especially, okay, when you talk about sleeping. Okay, so you can try it. Okay, I can definitely suggest it to your patient's doctor. And these are great products. Now, what else? Okay, so how many My Choco per day can we drink? Again, once up to 3 times a day. Okay, but if you're diabetic, you first have to ask permission from your attending physician. But if you're gonna ask me, once a day is good enough. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now let's talk about the other product of the company that contains DHA, and that will be Cholidus. Can you say the word Cholidus? It was derived from the word cholesterol reducer. Okay. Restore Life again was derived from the word restore your life. This one is to reduce your cholesterol. Okay. What are the components? Omega Supreme Fatty Acid. They are said to be with a premium and high potency source of fish oil that are said to be molecularly distilled. And what are the components in your Cholidus? First, say the word again. Fish oil from sardines and tuna. Okay? And how much can we see in Cholidus? 1,000 milligrams. Now, look at this so that you can be able to explain it to your clients. Of the 1,000 milligrams of fish oil, 700 milligrams is made up of what? Omega-3 fatty acids. And from the 700, it was divided into two. 500 milligrams from DHA, that's good for your brain, and 200 milligrams from EPA, that can help lower down your blood cholesterol. So don't be misled. Let me repeat this. 1,000 milligrams fish oil, out of the 1,000, 700 will be omega-3, and of the 700, there are two major components, DHA and EPA. You know what? As your medical consultant, I went to different stores selling food supplements, especially fish oil, and almost all of them contains 1,000 milligrams of fish oil. But the total amount of omega-3 for some of the products were only 200, 300, and the most was 500. And the only product that I've seen that contains 700 milligrams is Cholidus of AIM Global Group of Companies. Will that be good? Okay, so as of now, the product, the fish oil product with the highest amount of omega-3 is still Cholidus of Alliance Emotion Global. Is that good? Okay, what else, Tita? And it also contains a fat-soluble vitamins called as vitamin E. Now, Doc, to continue with this, okay, what are the benefits of taking fish oil or omega-3 fatty acid? Okay, this is a blood clot that may impede the flow of the blood in the arteries going to your brain. the cerebral artery. If that will be the case, for sure, that patient will suffer from what? Stroke. Okay, so number one, clot from the brain, okay, is stroke. And, okay, these are the fibrin clots, okay, with dead cells, fibrin deposits, cholesterol. They will try to clump and they will try to impede the flow of the blood. What else? Okay, it may also cause a problem to the coronary artery. Earlier, it was the carotid artery. Now, it's the coronary artery. If that will impede the flow of the blood to your heart, then it will lead to what? Heart attack. Now, sometimes, okay, when the problem is, when the clot is inside the coronary artery, sometimes it will dislodge and transfer to the brain. So, instead of you suffering from heart attack, he will suffer from what? Stroke. And both of which can be detrimental for your clients. Now, let's try to continue with this. This is an example of your atherosclerotic plaque. The yellow colored, okay, plaques that is made up of cholesterol and fibrin deposits. And of course, your thrombus, which is your blood clot. And as you can see here, as it impedes the flow of the blood, that specific part of the heart will die. And that will lead to myocardial infarction, or the one we call as what? Heart attack. Are we clear so far? Okay. Same picture, or should I say same scenario. Blood clot, cholesterol plaques. It will try to prevent the flow of the blood from this part of the heart, and that part of the heart will surely die. Para pong may naririnig ako. Sabi, kanina pa yung cellphone doon, na, may sound po. Naririnig ko po. Pa-silent mode po. Yan, okay. Para kung may lullaby na kanta, no? Okay. Yan, salamat po, tita. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's continue. Now, the heart follows the so-called all or none law. What is that? Okay, that means if one part of the heart will die, the entire heart will die and we will die. Okay, it's quite impossible for the left side to stop and the right side still moving. It will never happen. Again, if one part of the heart will die, the other part will also die, and we will die. Are we clear? That's why we need to preserve, okay, the sanctity, or should I say the functions of the blood vessels and also that of the heart. Are we clear so far? Now, doctor, to continue with, these are different levels of atherosclerosis. If this is the if it's only 30%, okay, you can still survive because the blood can still flow here. But if that is 100%, for sure, that specific blood vessel, okay, will die. As I said earlier, if that will be the case, the heart will stop from functioning. Okay, so that will be heart attack. That is the universal sign of a person suffering from heart attack. And I've seen that numerous times in the emergency room. There was this client doctor that was brought by the relatives in the emergency room. He was shouting, he was screaming because of so much pain. And in front of me, he died. We tried to revive him, but it was too late because he was suffering from chest pain for several hours before he was brought to the hospital. Okay? And I would like to inform you, okay, once you see this, once a person is holding and touching his left side of the chest, okay, perspiring, agonizing pain, cold, clammy perspiration, okay, and the feelings of impending doom, those are the pathognomonic signs and symptoms of a person suffering from heart attack. And again, I would like to repeat, the youngest patient I've seen who died in front of me in the emergency room was only 18 years old. There were other who were able to revive, but there were other patients who died in front of us. Okay? Now, to continue with this one. Aside from the heart attack, let's also talk about stroke. Okay? And how can we reduce the possibility of stroke? Okay, number one, reduction of clumping blood platelet, reduction of platelet vessel wall interaction. If this will be the platelet, okay, it should not attach to the blood vessel wall. Okay, what else? Improvement in the elasticity of the endothelial linings, meaning to say that if the pressure is so high, the blood vessel should what? Dilate. And once the blood passes through, it should constrict. Okay? What else? Let's try to continue with this. Okay? Reduction in your inflammatory response or swelling. Again, in order to promote good flow of blood. Next will be to decrease your blood pressure. I would like to reiterate this, that the normal blood pressure should be 120/80. In the new classification of hypertension, it was lowered down to 110/70. But 120/80 is still acceptable. Do you know your blood pressure? Yes? 160. Sometimes it's 180. Do you have a maintenance medication for hypertension? But what is your normal blood pressure nowadays? 130. Okay, a little bit acceptable. Okay, how about you, tita? No idea. Okay. Again, as you reach the age of 35, Judith, you have to know your blood pressure. Okay? I know my blood pressure. It's usually range from 120 or 130/80. Okay? That's my normal blood pressure. How about you, doctor? What's your normal blood pressure? Oh, very good. Okay? But there are certain days wherein it's so high. Okay? To lower it down. Okay? So I would like to request all of you, if and ever you will go here to the office, you can go to the 3rd floor. You can proceed to our Cardiopulse clinic. There's a nurse, a very good nurse, in the presence of Miss Au, okay? And ask her if she can take your blood pressure. Why again? Because if your blood pressure happens to be around 140/90, then you are hypertensive. And you need certain medications in order to what? Maintain your blood pressure. Okay? Why again? Because if the blood pressure is so high, like 200 to 20/130 or over 140, you might suffer from what? Stroke. Are we clear? Okay. Now let's try to continue. What else? Decrease your blood lipids or your triglycerides and LDL or the bad carriers of cholesterol. In the practice of medicine, when we request for a lipid profile, the ones we're after is not really the total cholesterol, but the LDL cholesterol. If the result will be an increased LDL cholesterol, definitely we're going to give you a medicine called as the statins. Atorvastatin, simvastatin, okay, rosuvastatin, those belongs to the so-called statin medications. Okay, and the function of which is to normalize your blood cholesterol level. Again, I would like to repeat for the second time, when I had my laboratory test a month ago, okay, lo and behold, all of the results were said to be normal. Wow! ECG, cholesterol, triglyceride, sugar, normal. Okay? And why again? Am I taking certain synthetic medications? Yes. And I'm also taking our products, our food supplements. That's why I'm healthy, as I'm proud to say. Many patients are asking me, doctor, do we need to take the synthetic medications? Yes. Why? Because the function of the synthetic medications, just like our food supplements, is to normalize our function. Okay, do you get the point? That's why when doctors give you synthetic medicines, just take it. Okay, then follow the instructions for you to what? Have a normal diet, low cholesterol, low fats, low salt diet, okay, and exercise, drink lots of water, and have enough sleep. You get the point? And take the wonderful food supplements like Colidus of Alliance Emotion Global. Do you get the point? Okay, now, okay, so we can be able to combine the synthetic medicines together with your what? Your food supplements. Let's continue with this. Okay? It can also improve the improvement in cerebral arteriolar activity. Again, that is the artery that will supply blood to your brain. What else? Okay, let's continue. Decrease the blood viscosity. Okay? Because why? Because What we're after is again is to what? To improve the flow of the blood. And, okay, decrease your resting heart rate. Do you have any idea on the normal heart rate per minute? Because you should also try to monitor your heart rate. It is from 60 to 80 with a maximum of 100. That's why if you don't have a pulse oximeter, you can just try to what? Monitor your heart rate, your pulse rate in one full minute. If the count is more than 100, that's not good. Why? It will try to what? Okay? Add burden to your heart. That may lead to what? Left ventricular hypertrophy or enlargement of the heart. Do you get the point? So an increase in your blood pressure or an increase in your heart rate may lead to enlargement of your heart. So again, my dear partners, my dear leaders, please monitor your blood pressure and monitor your heart rate. Do you get the point? Okay, what else? Now, what's this picture all about? Look at this. This is what we call as gangrene, a necrotic tissue or dead tissues. Okay? If that will be the case, if it will not improve, it will be amputated. I've seen a patient suffering from diabetes, okay, with a gangrenous foot like this, and you know what the doctor did? Amputation, mid-leg. There was this patient, I knew the patient, he still kept on eating too much. And you know what happened? He was amputated up to the level of the thigh, mid-thigh. But still, he cannot control his appetite. And you know what happened? He's dead. Are we clear? Because you cannot amputate the level of the neck, okay? Why again? Because we need to normalize the blood sugar in order to what? Normalize, okay, the blood vessels. Because if not, it will lead into death. So these are but the manifestations or signs of a patient suffering from diabetes mellitus. This one is stroke, a wound that doesn't heal. Sometimes you cannot even feel the pulse. Are we clear? So, doctor, okay. Both of the feet are said to be gangrenous, and there's a possibility that the amputation will be mid-leg. If not, mid-thigh. You cannot amputate here. Okay? It's either mid-leg or mid-thigh. Are we clear? Okay. So, who knows your blood sugar? Do you know your blood sugar level? No. How about you? Okay? No. Your blood sugar. Yeah. Okay? So, my simple request is, do have a blood sugar examination, just like your blood cholesterol, yearly at least. I'm having my laboratory check or workup 3 times a year, every 4 months, in order to assure myself that all of those so-called laboratory parameters are said to be within the normal range. Are we clear? So, sugar, cholesterol, lipids, sodium, potassium, SGPT, that will be for the liver. Then, of course, I also include my creatinine count. Okay, why again? Because I would like to assure myself that all of my organs are functioning well. Are we clear? Okay, now let's continue. Oops, by the way, sorry. Let's go back. So, how will omega-3 fatty acid help us? These are according to different kinds of studies. First, your blood fat or triglycerides, fish oil supplements can lower elevated triglyceride level according to studies. Okay? And having high levels of this blood fat puts you at risk for heart diseases, not just heart diseases, but also what? Fatty liver. It can also damage your liver. Are we clear? What else? Okay? Rheumatoid arthritis. As they said, fish oil supplements, your EPA and DHA, can curb stiffness and joint pains. That's why if you know someone suffering from arthritis, either osteoarthritis, gouty arthritis, or rheumatoid arthritis, give them what? Fish oil. It's good. It's helpful. Okay? What else? Omega-3 supplements also seem to boost the effectiveness of the anti-inflammatory drugs. So meaning say they will try to what? Help. Okay, these anti-inflammatory drugs to give relief, okay, to the so-called joint pains. And one more thing that I would like to mention will be depression. Okay? Every time I talk, I always give an emphasis on this problem. Because I would like to repeat, as a medical doctor, my wife is a pediatrician, we've seen different kinds of patients with different levels of depression. And some of them have suicidal tendencies. We always examine the risk of these patients who are said to be depressed. And true enough, there are signs of lacerations. Okay? Now, some researchers have found out that the cultures that eat foods with high levels of omega-3 have lower levels of depression. Okay, so if you would like to improve the function of your brain, eat fish, okay? Because it contains what? Omega-3 fatty acid. Fish oil also seems to boost the effects of antidepressant and may also help the depressive symptoms of bipolar disorder. So, just like your anti-inflammatory, it is also good to incorporate our fish oil product, okay, to those antidepressant medications. So as we can see here, there are so many benefits in taking fish oil. Again, there are certain studies that will say that it has no effect. But as far as I'm concerned, I would rather take it rather than not take it. Okay? In the practice of medicine, we have this so-called, it's better to commit rather than to omit. Okay? So let's continue. What else? Baby development. Okay? DHA appears to be important for visual and neurological developments in infants. Doctor, how can the babies take it? Through the mom. Let the mother take it, then through breastfeeding, it can be transferred to the baby. Okay? And asthma. A diet high in omega-3 lowers inflammation, which is said to be a key component in asthma. Remember, I would like to repeat for the second time that omega-3 fatty acid has an anti-inflammatory effect. And one of the factors that triggers asthma attacks is inflammation. Another thing is what? Bronchoconstriction. And of course, is spasm of the airway. Are we clear? So my simple question is fish oil good for the body? Yes. Okay, what else? Let's continue. ADHD. Okay? The so-called attention deficit hyperactive disorder. When we were still young, okay, during the 70s, when I was still a grade school student, it's very seldom for us to see patients who are suffering from ADHD. Very rare. But nowadays, it's very common. Remember, my wife is a pediatrician, and she has so many patients who are suffering from ADHD. That's why there's this so-called specialization called as developmental pediatricians. And they are the experts in handling ADHD patients, especially what? Also autism or autistic disorders. Now, how can our product be helpful to those suffering from ADHD? Some studies show that fish oil can reduce the symptoms of ADHD in some children and improve their mental skills, like thinking, remembering, and also learning. And I would like to clarify this issue. If you have kids, daughter, or grandkids whom you think is suffering from ADHD, please bring them at once to a developmental pediatrician for them to be treated. Because if not, once they reach teenage years or young adults, it will be so difficult. Okay? You can be able to treat them, okay? Give a possible therapy if they're still small. But as they grow older, it will be more difficult on our part. Are we clear? So just accept the fact that the child is suffering from a mental problem. Okay? In order for us to be able to go and seek consult from a developmental pediatricians. Are we clear? Because that's the problem, doctor. Some of the patients, some of the relatives, or some of the parents doesn't accept the fact that his or her child is already having some mental issues. Okay? So let's continue. Okay? But more research, of course, is needed. But still, again, as I've always said, it's better to commit rather than to omit. Okay? Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Some research suggests that omega-3s may help protect against what? Alzheimer's disease and dementia and have a positive effect on gradual memory loss linked to aging. So, more or less, majority is more than 40 years old. So, I'm expecting that you will be taking this great product. Okay? So, why again? If you will be asking me, I've seen I've seen so many patients with dementia. I even have relatives who suffer from dementia, especially Alzheimer's, and I don't want to suffer from such. But of course, aside from taking this product, okay, please eat a well-balanced diet. That's number one. Eat fish. It also contains omega-3 fatty acid. What else? 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day religiously. Drink lots of water. Exposures up to sunlight tomorrow morning. And lower down your level of stress. Because these are the factors that may trigger, okay, the so-called Alzheimer's disease or dementia. Are we clear? Okay, so let's continue. Okay. Now, the question is, should we supplement? Should we take these products of AIM Global Group of companies? Yes. Okay, let's talk about clinical studies. Fish oil, as we mentioned earlier, both contain EPA and DHA. Okay? And as they said, talk to your doctor before taking those food supplements. Your advantage is that, number one, the owner of the company are both doctors, and your speaker is a medical consultant. Plus the fact that we have also a doctor in the house. Give her a warm applause. Okay. Okay. Our friend doctor here is from Congo, but she's taking her specialization, okay, here in the Philippines. Okay. And she's also a proud member of AIM Global Group of Companies. Yes. Okay. So now what else? Okay. Talk to your doctor. He or she may have specific recommendations or warnings depending on your health and other medicines you take. And your doctor can also recommend the right dose. And that is what we're going to talk about. Okay. What is the proper dose? What is the maximum dose for Colidus? Okay. Now, and again, as we always say, we are not here to stop those synthetic medications being given by doctors. We're only here to supplement those synthetic medicines. Okay. People with heart disease are usually advised to take 1 gram daily of a combination of DHA and EPA from fish oil. Let me ask you, especially the ones watching right now, by the way, good morning to all of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How much is the DHA EPA combination of Colidus again? How much? I was able to mention it to you at the start. Oh, no. That's the amount of fish oil, doctor. But the DHA EPA is how much? It is 700. Okay, 500 DHA, 200 EPA. The combination will be 700. And what is the recommendation? 1,000, not fish oil, 1,000 DHA EPA. So, if we will simply analyze, how much then, okay, should we take when you talk about your Colidus? If you would like to prevent heart diseases, twice a day. I would like to repeat, the recommendation is 1,000. Okay? The ones present in the product is 700. So if you would like to reach the recommended amount of DHA EPA, then we need to take 2 soft gels of Colidus every day. Are we clear? Okay. Now let's continue with this. Doctor, what else? How much should be the maximum, okay, dosage for Colidus? Now we're talking about the maximum dosage. According to the American Heart Association, okay, they said that you can only take as much as 3 grams of fish oil every day. Again, let me ask you, how much is the fish oil in Colidus? 1,000. Okay, that's 1 gram, right? So the maximum will be 3 soft gels per day. Don't go beyond. Okay, why again? Let's discuss this one, okay? It's said to be safe. Don't take more than that unless you discuss it with your doctor first, because there are certain side effects. What are the side effects? Number one, okay, a fishy taste in your mouth. Have you tasted it? When every time you first take the product Colidus, okay, you can be able to feel that so-called fishy taste, especially when you burp. Okay. Second, fishy breath, stomach upset, two stools, and sometimes you feel like vomiting. That's nausea. Now look at this. This is the most important part. Taking more than 3 grams of fish oil daily may increase the risk of bleeding. That's why, again, my dear leaders, the maximum amount of Colidus that we can take every day will only be what? 3 soft gels, depending on the result of your cholesterol count. Clear? Okay. What if, doctor, I'm already taking my statins? Then you can take once a day of Colidus. Okay? You can still supplement your statins, your synthetic medications, with once a day of Colidus. Are we clear? Okay. Now, let's continue. So, as recommended by the American Heart Association, it may either be 900 or 1,000, combination of DHA EPA, meaning to say, you need 2 Colidus soft gels per day. Are we clear? Okay, so let's continue. Are you learning? Okay, continue. Okay, now, let me drink my coffee first. Yes, okay, good, good. Okay. This is one drink that I love to take every day. That is your Vida Drink Mix. Okay? The world's first cardioceutical drink with human clinical studies again. That's why it is so easy for us to give the product because of the clinical studies. Okay? Now, it contains what? Lycovera. Can you say the word Lycovera? Very good. NutraBlend. And it is sweet. Why? Because of stevia. So it has no sugar, but it contains stevia, which is again 300 times the sweetness of sugar. Okay? Natural grape flavor, not strawberry flavor. It is with a grape flavor. And lo and behold, look at this one. It is with FDA. Okay? Now, that's the FDA registration. Okay? So, let's continue with this. When you talk about the Lycovera, it has 2 major components. What are these? Your Resvida or trans-resveratrol and your Redivivo or your lycopene. Okay? So, doctor, who is the one manufacturing the product? DSM. It is situated in Europe. So, this is a European-based country, or should I say company, that manufactures, of course, our Vida Drink Mix. Okay? Now, to continue this one. So, when you talk about Vida, cardioceutical drink, the first major component is Resvida that will promote healthy aging. So, I mean to say, it can also help prolong, okay, our lifespan. It is with longevity polyphenols just like Restorlife. So, it has a high purity resveratrol that we call trans-resveratrol. Good so far? Okay, let's continue. Doctor, what will happen if you will take resveratrol? This is a clinical study done, of course, in South Australia by Dr. Peter Howe. So, what did they do? Okay, it's a published, remember this, clinical study, human study, that have shown that the intake of 30, 90, or 270 milligrams of Resvida resulted into what? 62 to 91% dilation of the blood vessel, the artery, within 1 hour from the intake of the product as shown by your flow-mediated dilation. Okay, doctor, what happened? There was a double-blind study. Okay, so meaning to say, the subject and the ones giving the product doesn't know if that's a placebo or if that's already resveratrol. Okay, there's a third party that knows what they are giving to the subjects. Okay, that's a double blind. Okay, now, other clients receive 30, others receive 60, then the others receive 90 milligrams. Okay, and I'm sorry, 90 30, 90, and 270. Remember that the component of our Vitadrink mix is 90. Okay? So, what happened? It showed different results. But still, 62% dilation is good. If your blood vessel will dilate by 62 to 91%, what do you think will happen to the blood pressure? Will it go up or go down? It will go down. So it will help normalize the blood pressure. That's why if you're suffering from hypertension, okay, again, let me repeat, hypertension, yeah, okay, aside from the medicines you've been taking for your hypertension, it's either your amlodipine, losartan, and so on and so forth, you can add this product because this product will help normalize our blood pressure. Are we clear? Okay, that's why every time I'm in the office, aside from ordering Live and Coffee, the ones I usually ask our brothers and sisters at the fourth floor is, of course, Vitadrink mix. Okay? Now, that's the first study. Okay? Second clinical study. Okay? What if they will take it for a prolonged period of time? Okay? This is the study. Okay? They gave 75 milligrams of Resvida. Just 75 milligrams. But this time, for 6 to 8 weeks. Every time we conduct different experiments, sister, okay, we usually give it for 2 months for us to be able to see the effect of the product, okay, on that patient or on that client. Now, what did they see here? Okay, it resulted to a 23% sustained. When we say sustained, it means what? Continuous dilation in your artery, again, through flow-mediated dilation monitoring. Okay, so doc, if that will be a sustained 23% dilation, it means it can continuously help maintain the blood pressure. And that's good. Again, if you would like to have a normal blood pressure, aside from the medicines being given by your doctor, there is one product of the company that I can safely also recommend to all of you. Are we clear? Okay. So you know what to buy after the training. Okay. So now, another study. Let's talk about metabolism. Okay. What will it do? First and foremost, it will help break down the fats to form energy. Can you please look at the person beside you? Look at them. Then look at the abdomen of the person. Okay. So tell the sister, you need the product. Okay. So it's a metabolic health study conclusion. Okay. Here's the date, and of course, the research was done. It was published in your Cell Metabolism. Okay. So Resvida led to the reduction of certain well-known risk factors associated with obesity. So what did they see here? Normalize the blood pressure, number one, because of the dilation of the blood vessels. Second is what? Improve the blood sugar and insulin level. So the insulin became more sensitive. So they were able to guide the sugar from the blood vessels to go inside the cell, inside the mitochondria, to be converted into energy. What else? Okay? Reduce inflammation markers and liver fat content. So they were also able to metabolize the fats inside the liver. And it increases fat oxidation and fat storage capacity of skeletal muscle. So it only means one thing. Also the fats in your muscle were converted to become energy. Okay, so doctor, that's good, definitely. And they gave 75 milligrams of Resvida. Meaning to say, if you're after the dilation of the blood vessel, just once a day. But if you would like to metabolize the fats, break down the fats, or burn down the fats, 2 times a day. Clear? Okay, now, second component is your dietary lycopene. It's inversely associated with markers of atherosclerosis. Can you say the word again? Atherosclerosis. What is that? The hardening and thickening of the walls of the large arteries of the body, including your coronary artery. Okay, these are large arteries of the body. Now, Doc, what was the result? The data suggests that a lycopene-rich diet may retard, prevent, stop, okay, the development of atherosclerosis. So it's not just there to dilate the blood vessel. It's not just there to normalize your blood pressure and prevent inflammation or swelling. It's also there to what? Prevent the hardening and thickening of the blood vessel wall. So my simple question is, do we have a great product in our Vida Drink Mix? Yes. That's why you need to drink it every day. Okay? So, lycopene is also what? A potent antioxidants. Meaning to say, it also has an anti-cancer properties. Okay, that's good. Okay, now, let's talk about this great product. Can you please say the word? Natural Essentials Herbal Toothpaste. Who amongst you have tried the product? Can you say raise of hand? Okay, my dear doctor, before you go home, try the product. Okay, so now, what's the benefit of using the product? Okay, first and foremost, again, it contains complete phytoenergizer. Second is that it has 5 wonderful herbs. Let's discuss this. Okay, okay. Antibacterial, antiviral. Okay, these are the 5 herbs. Let's discuss it one at a time. First component is what? Can you see the word? Bee propolis. So what's the function? It contains antioxidants called as flavonoids. It is used as a natural remedy for wound infection and illness. So if you're suffering from a certain wound inside your mouth, you can use this. It's good. Okay? What else? Second is your tea tree oil. It contains terpenoids which have been found to have what? An antiseptic and antifungal activities, even antimicrobial properties. Third, mira extract, antibacterial, antifungal, and anesthetic properties. Have you suffered from singaw? Okay, or the one we call stomatitis or mouth ulcers? Is it painful? Of course, it's so painful. And if you're gonna use the product, it has an anesthetic effect. Meaning to say, it can help lessen the pain in your mouth. Okay. Also used for problems in the mouth, such as what? Ulcerations, gingivitis or swelling of your gums, sore throats, and gum infections. That's why during the advent of the COVID, this is one product of the company that I usually recommend to our clients, especially those who are suffering from what? Sore throat. Yeah. So the products of the company that I was able to recommend during the time of COVID was a complete phytoenergizer, then Colidus, okay, and this product, and Ultra H2. Of course, C Supreme. Okay, those were the products that I was able to recommend. And luckily, I guess it's no longer present. Okay, or if and ever it's still there, hindi na natin pinapansin. Okay? That if sometimes we suffer from cough and colds, we're just thinking it's just flu. Is that right? Okay. Because why? Because somehow we were able to develop an immunity for COVID. Okay? But again, if and ever you will suffer from sore throat, recommend this product. Okay. Now, to continue with this, Piper Betel Extract. What is that? Stimulants, antiseptic again, and breath freshener. Again, please, we need to be a product of our own product. Is that right? Because how can you sell the product if you haven't tried the product? Is that right? And the problem is, what if you're saying that the product is so good, your mouth will feel so good, okay, you have it will smell so good, and the face of your client looks like this. Okay, so again, it's so hard to give justice to the product if you haven't tried the product. Is that right? Okay. What else? With antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-hemolytic activity. Means say if you have certain wound, bleeding gums, this will help stop the bleeding. Okay? And for me, the most important component is your aloe vera extract. Why? Your aloe vera alone contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. And it is used to detoxify, okay, and cleanse the urinary and digestive tract. Please don't drink the product, okay? Don't swallow the product, okay? But if and ever aloe vera will be taken per orem, it will help improve your urinary system, helpful in relieving constipation and diarrhea. But again, do not drink the product, okay? So as you finish brushing your teeth, then spit it out, okay? And it will also improve your circulation, especially in your mouth. Okay? So, do we have a great product in our toothpaste? Yes, but still, please use the product. Okay? Next. Now, let's talk about the burn products that will help us lose and shed some weight. Okay? I would like to look at the weight of the people inside this room. I guess majority needs the product except you. Yeah. You are the exemption to the rule. Okay? So, for those who are watching, we have a very big crowd here. Okay? So, okay. Okay. Now, oh, very good. Okay, the number is good. Now, let's continue with this. Body under right nutrition. Eat moderately. Take the products of the company, replace the so-called fatty meal with a normal diet. Okay? Push, exercise regularly, and repeat the process until you get your ideal body weight. Is that good? Okay, game. Let's start. Number 1, Burn Slim contains these components. Okay? And my dear partners, it is from Wither, USA. It's an American-based company, okay, that promotes, okay, products that can help us lose some weight. And it's a company that is so famous for those who are weight enthusiasts. Okay, now let's start. First is your Garcinia cambogia that contains your hydroxycitric acid. So what will be the benefit? It will inhibit the body's ability to store fat. Meaning to say, if you will eat a fatty meal or a meal rich in fats, it will not be absorbed by the body. It will just be what? Defecated. Okay, so through that, okay, it will help us lose some weight. What else? Okay, we can be able to use existing body fat for energy during prolonged exercise. A simple question that deserves an honest answer. Who amongst you are having your exercise every day? Wow. Daily? Zumba. Very good. Zumba? Wow. Okay. Zumba. 30 minutes per day. 30 minutes. Okay. Now, 1 hour. That's good. At least 30 minutes. That's good. The average is 150 minutes per week. 150 minutes per week. So either you can go for 50 minutes 3 times a week, or 30 minutes 5 times a week, or even more. You get the point? But not once a week. Okay, are we clear? So, others are saying, look, it's over. No, it should be 150 minutes at least per week. Why? It's the one we call as prolonged exercise. Because if you're going to exercise for that long, okay, it will help break down the fats and the sugar faster. That is the benefit of prolonged exercise. So if you will exercise, plus take the product, for sure, you can be able to convert those fats to become energy. Remember, when you eat a certain meal, you will first break down the carbohydrates. As you were able to break it down, then you will start to metabolize the fats. Okay? And this Garcinia cambogia can also reduce your appetite by decreasing or by raising the amount of your feel-good hormone serotonin in the body. So while you are losing weight, you feel happy because again, serotonin is one of the so-called feel-good hormones. And I would like to reiterate, even if you will take the products of the company, if you cannot control your mouth from eating too much, it will be useless. Are you clear? Okay. So tell the person beside you, limit your food intake. Okay, so doctor, what else? It also contains catechin. What is catechin? Antibacteria, can lower the risk of heart diseases. It can defend against cancer, but it can also increase fat consumption in the liver. It can metabolize the fats in your liver. Remember, the organ for metabolism is the liver. Okay? The one thing that we would like to assure ourselves is for you to have a normal functioning liver. If you are said to be overweight, aside from your triglycerides, be sure to undergo liver ultrasound. Okay? Or your so-called LGBP, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. Okay? Ultrasound. Okay? So let's continue. Carnitine. This one component of this wonderful product that I love most. Why? Because the function of carnitine is to escort long-chain fatty acid inside the mitochondria to become a source of energy. If the insulin will guide the glucose in the blood vessel to go inside the cell, inside the mitochondria to become energy, this carnitine will guide the fatty acid inside the mitochondria again to be converted to become energy. Okay? And they will also try to help remove the toxins outside of the cells. Thus, will make your cells healthy. Clear? Okay. Now what else? Okay. So, burn product, the Burn Slim should be taken 30 minutes before a specific meal. Good. Second, Live and Coffee Burn. The fourth type of coffee that we're going to discuss today, the Live and Coffee Burn. I'm sorry, this is the fifth type of coffee. I forgot to mention the Live and Sugar Free. Okay? Remember the Live and Sugar Free, okay, tastes so good, but it is without sugar because it also contains stevia that we're gonna discuss today. Okay? So, doctor, let's continue with this one. Live and Burn, sugar-free, sweetened by what again? Stevia, and with 150 milligrams of Carnipure. Doctor, what is Carnipure? It is said to be the highest and purest L-carnitine form. And it's a trademark of what? Lonza Limited, Switzerland. Now, let's continue. We're done discussing this, which are also present in your Burn Slim product. Is that right? Okay. So let's continue. What are the other components of your Live and Coffee Burn? Satyrial saffron extract that will reduce, or should I say, that will stimulate satiety. Not reduce, stimulate satiety. Okay? Doc, what's satiety? What is being satiated? It means you feel full right away. Okay? If you feel full, it only means one thing, that the amount of food that will be going inside your mouth will become lesser. Lesser food, lesser calorie, then you will break down those fats. Clear? Okay. 100% reduction in the desired snack. 50% fewer instances of eating between meals. Okay. Less hunger. That's good. Moderate weight loss. But you feel more energetic and you feel better. Other people fail to lose weight. Why? Because they deprive themselves too much of food. There's this so-called intermittent fasting or the so-called OMAD. You know what OMAD means? 1 meal a day. I have friends right now in AIM Global who is fond of the so-called OMAD. Doc, can all of us go for OMAD or 1 meal a day? It depends. I cannot do it. Why? Because I'm an acidic person. Okay, it's quite impossible for us to skip a meal because it will hurt my stomach. But for those who can tolerate it, why not? It's good. But as a doctor, we don't recommend 1 meal a day. What we recommend is 3 meals a day, okay, or should I say small, frequent feeding. Do you get the point? not large, frequent feeding. Are we clear? Okay, small, frequent feeding. Okay, why again? To avoid, number one, acidity that can possibly lead to ulcerations. Okay, so here, okay, you will eat less, but you will feel good and you feel energetic. And that's the beauty of the product. Are we clear so far? Okay, now let's continue. What else? Okay, stevia. This is also present in your leave-in sugar-free. So what is stevia? It's all natural herbal sweetener. 300 times the sweetness of sugar. It is not sugar, but it is sweeter than sugar. And it is said to be recognized as safe by the US FDA since 2008. What else, doctor? Can help normalize your blood pressure, your blood sugar, has an antibacterial properties, aids in calcium production, meaning to say, it can help strengthen your bones. I'm sure some of you are already in the menopausal stage. Am I right?
Yes.
I will no longer ask who amongst you is already in the menopausal stage, okay? But again, okay, you can drink the product. It will help in your calcium formation. And one more thing, has an antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Is the product good? Yes. Now, if you like to, by the way, the last component of your Live and Coffee Burn is your caffeine anhydrous. What is that? Essentially has no water. Or should I say, just 0.5%. Okay? Doctor, so what's the logic behind drinking the product? Okay, it's more potent because according to some evidence, the body may absorb it more readily. If they can be able to absorb the caffeine anhydrous, the other components of the Live and Coffee Burn will also be absorbed fast by your body. Are we clear? Okay, now. Doctor, that is your Live and Coffee Burn. Again, it is with the premium instant coffee. Okay? That is coffee Arabica. Now, to continue with this. If you love to drink iced tea, don't drink the commercial, okay, iced tea that you can be able to buy in the stores. Please, avoid it. Why? It is so acidic. That's number one. And it is with sugar. So avoid drinking those old commercially available iced tea. Okay? This is a better alternative. So let's talk about iced tea. Okay? It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So this is the product. Can you say the word burn mate iced tea? Burn mate iced tea. Game. We're done talking about Saterial, stevia, and carnivore. Okay? So let's continue with this. Microcrystalline cellulose. No? It's a term for refined wood pulp. What's the function? It is a fat substitute, an emulsifier, an extender, a bulking agent in food production. So if it's a bulking agent, again, you will feel satiated. You will feel full. You get the point. What else? Okay? It is with fibrulline. When I say fibrulline, it is a soluble fiber. What is the function? Look at this. It will provide the energy source for the beneficial bacteria living in the gut. We have this so-called microbiota. What is that? Those are the bacteria that are presently living inside our body. Okay? And we have the good bacteria and we have the bad bacteria. So this fibrillin will provide energy for the good bacteria to fight the bad bacteria. Do you get the point? Okay. What else? Easier solution for less sugar and less fats. To continue with. Phenumate EFLA 920. It has an effect on weight and body fat reduction. Can also lower down your blood cholesterol and free fatty acid levels. And, ladies, look at this sentence. Improve body composition of overweight women. Okay, so if you're gonna take the product, okay, somehow you can be able to, okay, lose some of those so-called extra fats. Okay, now what else? Hyperpure technology is what? They will try to separate unwanted fat-loving compounds. Meaning to say, you will not be able to absorb those so-called extra fats and you will just what? Defecate those fats. Citric acid and lemon lime flavor contains vitamin C. And what is a vitamin C? Antioxidant, anti-cancer, and antibiotics. Okay? And mineral salts. Okay? It is needed to be ingested or absorbed by living organisms for healthy growth and maintenance of the body. Xanthan gums is for what? Stimulates your digestive tract to push stool through. It also might slow the absorption of sugar from your digestive tract. Okay? If you cannot absorb the sugar, if you're just gonna defecate the sugar, then it will be good for our body. Okay? And green tea, extract, EFLA. To summarize everything in your burn product, this will be the function. It will increase energy metabolism and fatty acid oxidation, meaning say it will help break down the fats. Second, it will inhibit fat development. It means say you will not be able to form fats in your body. And it will reduce lipid absorption. You will not be able to absorb the fats because you will just defecate the fats. Is the product good or very good? Very good. Okay, so that is your Burn Mati Iced Tea. You can take a picture if you want. Okay, these are the available burn products nowadays. Okay. Good. Good? Okay. Let's continue. Now, let's talk about this wonderful product as your energy. Okay? Direct, pakisabi mo kay Mark, dito sa bag ko nandun yung energy bracelet ko. Okay. Okay. Can you say the word chi? Say it louder. Chi. What is chi? It is said to be the circulating life energy. Okay? That in our Chinese philosophy is thought to be inherent in all things, especially in our body. Okay? So, it is a balance of the negative and the positive, or the yin and the yang. Okay? According to our Chinese philosophers, in our body, that's believed to be essential for good health. What we're gonna discuss will be your vital life force and your vital energy that will unite the body, mind, and spirit. As according to our Chinese philosophers, if you would like to be healthy, it should involve the body, the mind, and our spiritual well-being. Okay? Let's continue. Yan. Okay? It's because it's in my bag. Thank you, thank you. Yan. Okay. Salamat po. Okay? Hindi ko siya sinusuot pag nagta-travel ako eh. Pag nasa office lang ako. Saka pag nasa bahay. Game. So this is the bracelet. Can I see your bracelets? Very good. Doctor, this is good. Let's try to explain this one to all of you. It is ingrained with your... the energy ingrained within each bracelet is the result of the so-called infusion process. Okay, so that's the technology behind infusion process. Through plasma-based generator system that will try to create both the electromagnetic and subtle energy. So, doctor, let's continue. Okay, what is that? So, the energy produced by the vital force technology is called as what again? Subtle energy. It is defined as what healers and energy-sensitive people have seen and felt for thousands of years. Okay? It is also being called as the electromagnetic wavelengths, the rates of vibration, the echoes of pulsation, or to simplify the word, aura. Can you say the word aura? Aura. It is the energy field around the body of the body. As they said, we have this so-called aural field that surrounds our body, and approximately it is around it will be around 1 meter or 3 feet surrounding our body. Okay, and bless you. Okay, so I'm sure all of us have suffered from fever when we were still young, right? Okay, and when you have fever, sometimes you were not able to feel your parents. Okay, were already there on your bed, right? You can only feel them once they touch your neck or your head. Is that right? Okay? Because if you're sick, your aura is said to be depleted or affected. Have you experienced to walk in a dark room alone? Or in a dark area? Or in a building alone? Yes or yes? Yes. And sometimes, okay, you're able to feel something at your back. Is that right? And when you look at your back, your sister was there. Okay. But sometimes, there's no one there. Is that right? Okay. Why again? Because your aural field is functioning. Okay? Meaning to say, once something, even air, enters your aural field, you can be able to feel it. You get the point? Okay. So, that is the one thing that energy-sensitive people would like us to maintain, a very strong aural field. Are we clear? Okay. Now, let's continue. So, the infusion process will create, record, and store, and regenerate the so-called subtle energy patterns, which distinguishes the process from all other quantum technologies. So, with VFT, it is possible to produce what again? Complex, subtle energy patterns. Aim for what? A specific biological, whether physiological or normal function of the body, or even what? Mental. That is the function of the product. To improve your subtle energy, to improve your aural field, so that our body's function will become better. Okay? Next. This is your energy bracelet. Okay? Number one, it looks good. Okay? You can be able to catch attention by wearing the bracelet. Okay? It's two-toned, but I'm not after the external beauty of the product. What I'm after is the beneficial effect on our body. Why again? To name a few, what will it do? Okay? First, it will strengthen your immune system. It will encourage cell renewal. It will speed up your metabolism. Okay? It will add additional strength to your body. At the same time, okay, you can be able to reduce your physical and mental stress. And it will help strengthen your aural field or your chakra. And they said that the anti-radiation effect of this product is said to be lifetime. Is it good or very good? Okay, a warm applause for our product, of course. So, and another energy product that we have is your energy diffuser. Another wonderful product of the company. Can I see your cell phones? Can I look at your cell phones? Does it have do you have the so-called energy diffuser? Okay. This is one of the cheapest, okay, but effective product of AIM Global Group of companies. Again, it's quite impossible for you to sell the product if you're not using the product. Is that right? So, kindly attach this or stick it on to your cell phones, okay, tablet, laptop, even your appliances. You can place it on your appliances. Why? Because the function of which is to counteract the serious and long-term harmful effects of electromagnetic field radiation. My dear leaders, doctor, you can research later on. YouTube, open your YouTube and look for your energy. Okay? There were leaders of the company, including our African leaders, who tried to test the efficacy of the product. How? They bought an magnetic frequency device. And they tried to test the radiation, the amount of radiation of their appliances and even their gadgets. And lo and behold, it was so high. But when they placed a diffuser, it went down to 0. Okay, so is the product good? Good. Okay, that's why we are now in the advent of computer technology. All of us have cell phones, tablet, even your kids have different kinds of gadgets. So please, stick this product to your appliances, to your gadgets in order to help lower down the amount of radiation being emitted by these so-called appliances and products. Okay? And I do hope you have already tried the product. CareLift Thermal Relief Patch. Doctor, it has 9 natural ingredients. Yes. Okay, I will show this first to you. Okay. It is all natural, non-addictive, breakthrough product. Now, these are the 9 components of the product. Okay. 9 ingredients. First technology will be what? Nano-diamond technology. What is the function of the nano-diamond technology? First things first, this is it. Okay. It's a unique optical, mechanical, and thermal properties are well absorbed by human skin because they will cause more of the ingredients to penetrate the deep layers of the skin. That is through nanodiamonds. So the properties are so small wherein it can be able to penetrate the skin and will go inside the muscle. Remember this, if those properties will not be able to penetrate the skin, it will be useless. And through nanotechnology, the science of being so small, it has the ability to penetrate the skin and reach the muscle for the product to be effective. Okay? It will magnify the intensity of the thermal patch. Second, so it's so small, what else? It's broken down to its original elements carrying what? Natural ingredients to the muscles immediately. That's the word, immediately. That's why, excuse me, every time you use the product, within an hour, the intensity of the pain becomes lesser. And within 6 to 12 hours, there's no more pain every time you use the product. Okay? Now, my dear partners, look at this. Second is your grapeseed oil. What is the function then? It will open up the pores of the skin. That will further allow the active ingredients to come in and alleviate the inflammation. So aside from your nanotechnology, it has the grapeseed oil to open up the pores. Third, okay, it has germanium. It's part of your so-called elements, okay, in your periodic table. It will act as a natural heat reflector. It is warm. Is that right? When you apply it, can you feel the warmness of the patch? Yes, why? Because if it's warm, it will dilate the blood vessels so that the swelling inside will go out. The swelling from our body will go inside the blood vessel, thus reducing the swelling. And because of its warmness, it can relax the muscle. Okay? What else? Another component. Uy, looks familiar. Okay? Turmeric or the so-called curcumin. Okay? What's the function? Anti-inflammatory. It's a powerful antioxidant. And according to our Chinese and Indian medicine or medical doctors, okay, it has been utilizing this healing property for more than 1,000 years. And we all know what turmeric can do to your throat. Is that right? But again, don't drink the product. Okay, is that clear? Okay, just put it on your skin or place it on your skin. What else? St. John's wort. It is a known herbal remedy used since the Middle Ages for its anti-inflammatory, anti-swelling properties with wound healing, diuretic properties, and a good treatment for back pains. The most common part of the body that will suffer from muscle pain will be the back. Okay, the one that I usually complain every time I drive is my back and also my legs. Okay? That's why sometimes I use the product. It's really good. Okay? It can even what? Okay, it can even treat anxiety and depression. Because if the pain will persist, definitely you will be anxious. Okay? But once you relieve the pain, lo and behold, okay, the anxiety will disappear. Okay? And for the Bicolanos, okay? Okay, that's your capsaicin or your red chili pepper. I would like to mention to all of you that your red chili pepper is a natural source of your endorphins, another of those so-called feel-good hormones that you will feel so good, okay? Relieving stress and also pain. And to continue with silver ion, has a healing properties and known for its ability to kill bacteria and viruses. Why again? Because once you attach or once you place the patch on your back, somehow, okay, bacteria and viruses might go inside. So if it has the silver ion, there's no problem. Why? Because it will help try to kill the microorganisms. Do you get the point? And of course, okay, Korean ginseng. It's one of the most expensive components of the product. And what's the function? Has been used for hundreds of years to combat widespread musculoskeletal pain, fatigue, and swelling. And your vitamin E helps ease the pain of stiff muscles after an exercise. Okay? So do we have a great product? Yes. You can take a picture if you want. Okay? So let's continue. Okay? Okay. Your molecular hydrogen. If I'm not mistaken, this is the last product. Okay? I think. Okay? Antioxidation, antioxidants, anti-aging, and anti-inflammation or anti-inflammatory. Doctor, let's talk about hydrogen. In your periodic table, that is the first. That's H1. Is that right? Okay. And it is said to be the smallest amongst the smallest. The word is extremely unique because it has the capability to act at the cellular level. Next. It is qualified to cross the blood-brain barrier. Not all can penetrate and enter your so-called brain substance because somehow the blood-brain barrier will try to inhibit those so-called unwanted substances from going inside the brain. But this can be able to penetrate the blood-brain barrier. Now, it can also enter the mitochondria, not just inside the cell, but also inside the mitochondria, and according to some studies, even inside the nucleus. Okay? And has the ability to translocate to the nucleus under certain conditions. Now, let's continue. Hydrogen will exert an antioxidant, anti-apoptotic, anti-inflammatory, and cytoprotective or cell-protective properties that will be beneficial, of course, to the cells of the body. What else? Let's continue. In terms of medicine, they said that small is good. Because right now, we are giving so many medications, okay, that we hope will penetrate the cells of the body. Okay? As nanoscience has tended to show, in the case of hydrogen, we are talking about what? The ultimate, the smallest amongst the smallest. Okay? Proving to be the biggest medical breakthrough of the 21st century. And what did they say here? Hydrogen appears at the top of your top left corner of the periodic table. This number 1. It is the smallest. It is the simplest. And the most fundamental element with molecular hydrogen as the smallest molecule because it's a combination of H1 and H1. Okay? And there's no substance or a molecule smaller than this. Okay? Now, if and ever we will consume hydrogen, it will reduce oxidative stress. What else? Okay? So, meaning to say, it can protect the organs, including your digestive, your cardiovascular, your respiratory system, and there are said to be hundreds of scientific clinical publications that will show molecular hydrogen to be what again? Therapeutic. That is according to so many clinical studies that you can Google in the internet if you want. Okay? Now, these are the effects of molecular hydrogen to the different bodies or organs of the body. I will not mention it one at a time. Just try to look at this. And as you can see here, it will help improve. The word is improve the different organs of the body. Is that clear? Including your brain, your heart, your hearing, your lungs, and so on and so forth. Let's continue with this one. So, can you say the word again? Molecular hydrogen. It's an ideal antioxidant molecule for oxidative stress in your mitochondria. Remember, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. So if we can be able to improve the function of your mitochondria, then we can improve the production of energy in the body. Okay? One of the very few, if not only antioxidant molecule that can reach the inside of the mitochondria. And they said here that, okay, according to preliminary clinical trials, it showed that drinking hydrogen dissolved water seems to improve the pathology of mitochondrial disorders. So they may help try to improve, okay, those so-called mitochondria if and ever they're having some problems. Drinking molecular hydrogen water stimulates what? Energy metabolism as measured by oxygen consumption and carbon dioxide production. And these are the 10 reasons why we need to drink water with molecular hydrogen. What are the functions mentioned here? Improve skin, fights aging. Number 1. May help prevent diabetes. Because remember, they will be able to improve the function of the cells of the body. What else? May battle cancerous tumors. Can fight autoimmune disease. It's not mentioned here that they can be able to treat these diseases, but can only help. Okay? Reduces pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis, corrects DNA damage, combats allergies, helps reduce fat, improves cognitive function, and faster sports injury recovery. So this alone will tell us that molecular hydrogen is good for the body. Oops! And that, of course, is your Ultra H2. So let's give it a warm applause. Okay, so